Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life, where I share my everyday life as a gypsy housewife. In today's video, I'm going to be taking down all of the Christmas decor, including the Christmas tree, and I'm getting it all out of my sight. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, but honestly, I'm really glad it's over, and I'm also really glad to be saying goodbye to the Christmas decor. Even though I didn't have a lot out, I'm just kind of sick of seeing it, and the cats have pretty much destroyed the tree anyway, so it's time to move it along. I know a lot of people like to keep their Christmas tree up past New Year's, and if that's the way you roll, then girl, do your thing. But for those of you out there who are ready to take down that Christmas tree, I hope this video motivates you and inspires you to get up and get her done.
Places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make.
Okay, so I've made some improvements so far. I put the little tree away. I took everything off of the bookshelf. Got this straightened up a little bit, but this is just the way it is the way it's gonna be, and that's that, and it's okay. I'm gonna put up the lamppost next, and then the tree. Haven't been filming what I'm doing because honestly, it's kind of hectic to do so, and I don't know if y'all actually want to watch me like putting all this stuff away, but maybe y'all do. Maybe I should record me putting away the lamppost or the tree. Oh no! Oh my gosh, I'm so crazy. I was supposed to take all these off and put it in the other box. I'm not thinking straight today, y'all. So let's do that now.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. this, so let's go.